Hey everyone, welcome to this CresTV short we're doing for CEDIA. If you don't know what CEDIA is, it's a show that's coming up. I don't know much about it, so I grabbed someone who is an absolute expert in it. Michael Shaw, our Director of Residential and Hospitality. Michael, I'm at Modern Work Summit. You're back in the UK, but we're going to go like this in the middle, I think, at the weekend. You're coming over for CEDIA. Tell everyone what CEDIA is all about.
Well, yeah, we are going to be crossing again. It seems like you and I have been flying all over the world recently. So CEDIA is our biggest trade show out in the US. And in fact, it's probably our biggest residential trade show that we do globally. Thousands of attendees coming together to get the world of smart home technology, professional AV, professional smart home together in one place. And this year it's at Dallas. And we're back. It's been
Wow.
7 years, and we're back for probably what is going to be our biggest Stadia show for us ever. So
Wow.
we're super excited about it. We're expecting all of our dealers, many potential dealers to be there as well. It's going to be a really, really exciting year for us at Stadia, and yeah, we're delighted to be back.
Very cool. So it's a 7 year hiatus for us, and then we're now back. What's the big news? Can we share any spoilers? Tell us why people come and see us at the booth.
Yeah, I mean, well, we've got a ton of stuff coming. Interestingly, when you think about the fact that we have been away for 7 years, everything that we're going to be showing at CEDIA is new to the show. Now, of course, if you are a dealer of ours, you will have seen a lot of the technology and solutions, but ultimately, this is the first time that we're bringing most of our products and solutions to CEDIA. 7 years is a long time in our industry, and a lot has changed. So the big news for us really is that this is Crestron Home's OS. It's our debut at CEDIA.
Yeah, we didn't have this
Operators
7 years, did we? This is
we
hot off the
didn't
press.
have it 7 years ago. Exactly. So it's the first time we're going to be showcasing a booth that is complete and utterly run by the operating system, which is
Wow.
a game changer for us with regards to how we actually create trade shows, because now it's a lot easier with the platform versus all the custom programming that we used to do at the shows. But it's big news because it's great to have the show and the entire booth powered by the operating system.
Wow.
And we've got a ton of really exciting stuff to show off. And if you're looking for some teasers, there's some new products in the audio category that haven't been launched yet. I'm not going to
Okay.
tell you exactly what they
Yeah.
are, but there's a number of new speaker ranges that we're showcasing. There's a really exciting update to NAX again
Right.
in the audio area that's going to update that platform with something really exciting. We recently launched a product called the DIN AP4, a DIN rail processor. We have an entire demo showcasing how that product can now be used for multi-processor support. We have our light fixtures on show. We showed them at Next. You saw them at our Next
Yeah.
events, but they haven't been at a trade show this size before. So we're going to be showcasing all the solutions with regards to the light fixtures. And then we've got a really exciting area of the booth where we're focusing on solutions. So we've
Okay.
got a health and wellness wall, an MDU wall, an entertainment everywhere wall, a work from home wall. So
Well,
we've
that's
got
going
a
to be a
ton
big
of
topic. Yeah.
absolutely solution driven demos at the show.
Fantastic. Now, I'll put you on the spot. We didn't check beforehand. Do you know the booth number?
Oh my God.
Just come and find us
I
at
do.
Crestron, I guess.
I
I should
do.
have checked with you beforehand.
Ask me another question and
Ask
let
you
me
one on
pull that
sport,
out.
yeah. Very cool. Well, yeah, I'm sure that you won't miss the Crestron stand at CEDIA. Do make sure you come and find us. As Michael said, there's going to be some awesome new innovations and solutions and products that we'll be showcasing there, back after a 7 year gap, to show you all of the great exciting things happening in the Crestron home and residential space. I guess head over to crestron.com, do register for CEDIA, and I won't be there, but go and find Michael, go and say hi, shake his hand, and get him to show you all the great solutions. Michael, thank you for joining us on this quick CresTV short to update everyone on what's going on CEDIA.
No, I appreciate it. Booth number 16017.
There you go.
There you go.
1601, what? 16017, was it?
16017.
Awesome. Great job. Michael,
Brilliant.
thanks for joining us, and I'll see you when we stop crossing the Atlantic with each other.
Thanks, Neil.
Cheers,
Appreciate
Michael.
it.